Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna with eggs. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delightful dish. You'll need one 5-ounce can of tuna, ensuring it's thoroughly drained to avoid a watery salad. Next, prepare 2 large eggs, which we'll hard-boil to perfection. For the dressing, have 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of zesty Dijon mustard ready. Finally, chop 1/4 cup of crisp celery and 1 tablespoon of fresh chives for added flavor and texture. These simple components will create a truly satisfying meal. Achieving perfectly cooked eggs is crucial for this recipe. Begin by carefully placing your 2 large eggs into a small saucepan. Now, cover them with cold water, ensuring the water level is about 1 inch above the eggs. Bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat, then immediately remove the pan from the heat source. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for precisely 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, transfer them to an ice bath for 5 minutes. This stops cooking and makes peeling easier. Now, let's bring our main components together. Take your thoroughly drained tuna and flake it gently into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, peel your perfectly cooled hard-boiled eggs and chop them into small, even pieces. Add these chopped eggs, along with the crisp celery and fresh chives, to the tuna. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard. Finally, season the mixture with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper, mixing until just combined. Your delicious tuna and egg salad is now ready to be enjoyed. This versatile dish can be served in several delightful ways. For a classic and satisfying lunch, pile it high on 2 slices of your favorite toasted bread. If you prefer a lighter option, spoon the salad over a bed of crisp, fresh lettuce leaves. Feel free to garnish with a few extra fresh chives or a dash of paprika for a pop of color. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, maintaining its freshness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.